Optimizing manufacturing layouts is a critical step in ensuring the efficiency and productivity of any production facility. By leveraging computer aided design or CAD, manufacturers can visualize and refine their workspace before construction begins. Early decisions made during the layout planning phase have a profound impact on workflow, resource allocation, and overall operational costs. A well designed layout can minimize bottlenecks, reduce material handling times, and improve safety. Conversely, poor initial choices may lead to inefficiencies that are costly and difficult to correct later. CAD tools enable precise planning, allowing teams to simulate different scenarios and select the most effective arrangement. This proactive approach sets the foundation for long term performance and adaptability in a competitive market. When designing a manufacturing environment, certain layout concerns are often underestimated but play a vital role in long term efficiency. Flow optimization is essential for ensuring that operations proceed smoothly, minimizing bottlenecks and unnecessary movement. Adequate clearances and maintenance access must be considered to allow equipment servicing and safe passage for personnel, reducing downtime and improving safety. Effective utility routing, such as for power, water, and air, supports reliable operation and future adaptability. By addressing these three aspects, flow, clearances, and utilities, a facility can achieve both functionality and flexibility, supporting evolving production needs.